Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your TCL Roku TV. Resetting your television can be incredibly helpful for several reasons. Perhaps your TV is running a bit slow, or applications are crashing unexpectedly. A reset can often resolve these common performance issues, making your viewing experience much smoother. Furthermore, if you're planning to sell or give away your TV, a factory reset is crucial to erase all your personal data and settings, ensuring your privacy. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand the difference between a soft reset and a factory reset. A soft reset is like simply restarting your computer. It reboots the system without deleting any of your information. This is great for minor glitches. A factory reset, however, wipes everything clean, returning your TV to its original out-of-the-box state. You'll use this for more serious issues or when preparing to transfer ownership. Performing a soft reset is incredibly simple and often resolves many minor issues. First, make sure your TCL Roku TV is turned on. Next, locate the power cord and unplug it completely from the wall outlet. It's important to wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This allows the television to fully power down and clear any temporary memory. After 60 seconds, plug the cord back in and power on your TV. You should notice an immediate improvement. For a full factory reset, grab your remote and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, scroll down and select System. Within the System options, you'll find Advanced System Settings. Choose this and then select Factory Reset. To confirm you truly want to erase everything, select Factory Reset Everything. Your TV will then display a unique 4-digit code that you must enter to proceed. Once entered, the reset process will begin, and your TV will restart as if it were brand new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.